Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So you guys, I have been crazy sick, like not crazy, but I have been sick, not feeling myself. I'm pretty sure it was laryngitis. I had no voice, barely anything for the last couple of days. I'm starting to get my voice back, but I can't really speak very much because once I start talking too much, I start coughing and I can't stop. So I've been sucking on cough drops, I've been taking medicine, and it was just so annoying. But I'm so happy to be filming again, and I am ready to bring another video to you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's. This is the look I have going on today. So if you guys want to see what products I use to create this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright, so jumping right into the video, you guys, as you can see, I have my eyes prepped and ready. I have my brows already filled in, and also I applied the brow gel, which is going to keep these babies in place. And for eyeshadow today, you guys, I am going to be going in with the Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm going to be doing something really simple. Nothing crazy, but my lips, you guys, I am super excited. I was cleaning like my vanity or whatever, and I came across this lipstick right here, and this was like my inspiration for today's video. This one is the NYX High Voltage lipstick in the shade Dirty Talk. It's a beautiful brown, and I'm so excited to put it on today. So since my brows are done, I am going to start off with this shade right here. It's just a nice brown shade, perfect for transition. So I'm just applying this into the crease. Don't worry if it's messy. You know, I'm just using a BH Cosmetics blending brush and just applying this back and forth in windshield wiper motions and blending it in. Easy, really simple. Alright, so now I'm going to grab this flat shader brush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's like a nice golden shade, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. So as you can see, I'm keeping the eyes pretty simple. I'm just going back in with that blending brush that I started off with, and I'm just blending out the first shade that I started off with no additional product on the brush, and making sure everything looks nicely blended. So I'm going to keep the eyes really simple because I want to keep the main focus on the lips for today. And now I'm going to move on to lashes. So I picked up these new lashes. These are the Salon Perfect Extension Seeker. These are 3D curl multi-dimensional tapered tips. These are the number 662, and I thought they were really pretty, so I'm going to apply these, and when I'm done, I'll be back and we will continue on with the rest of the look. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I finished applying the lashes. They are so pretty. I did have to trim them just a little bit. So now moving on to the face, I am going to prime. I am going to go in with my Maybelline Master Prime. This one is the Blur and Redness Control Pigment face primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over. For foundation, I am going to be mixing these two together. This one is the NYX Born to Glow. This one's a little dark for me right now. This one's in the shade Cinnamon, and this one is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade Buff Beige. I figured putting these two together would be a nice combination for me at the moment. Now I'm grabbing the ColourPop concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium 26. To blend out the concealer, I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques sponge. Now to cream contour, I'm going to go with my favorite. This is the Makeup Revolution Foundation Stick in the shade F13. Grabbing my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm going to be blending everything out. Grabbing my RCMA powder, I am just going to set my under eye, and pretty much my T-zone, those areas where I tend to get most oily in my under eye so it doesn't crease. To bronze up my face, I am going to be going in with this blush. Yes, this blush from Catrice. I feel like this color is perfect for a nice bronze. And actually, the shade is called Bronze. Jumping right back into the eyes real quick, you guys, I am going to be going in with this first color that we went in with first, and a brush like this from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be applying that on the lower lash line. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with this right here from Cover FX, and using a really pretty gold on the cheekbone. Alright, so moving on to lips, you guys. I don't have a brown lip liner, so I'm going to grab this eye definer from Rimmel. This one is in the shade Rich Brown, and I'm just going to use this to line my lips. And now I'm going to apply the lipstick. And now to finish off the look, I'm going to grab my Catrice Hydrating Prime and Care Spray, this one right here, and that's it. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I kept the eyes really simple because I wanted this beautiful brown lip to pop, and it's not something I typically would go for, but I really love the lip color and the really simple eye. It's actually more of like a bronzy tone on the lid. I know I said gold before, but it's, you know, it's a little bit bronzy, and I really do love this. So the combination of the two together, I'm in love with. It's really a nice look. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.